This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Mary K. Robinson. Gorgeous completely remodeled home on a half-acre in the heart of Ferndale. One-level living with huge windows bring in tons of light and show off the beautiful mountain view. Low-maintenance deck for entertaining. LVP floors, crown molding, open concept floor plan plus areas for formal living and dining. New front door and garage doors and upgraded insulation are 32. Newer roof has lifetime guarantee, heat pump, air conditioning, on-demand generator, storage shed and pad for greenhouse. Plenty of parking for guests in gracefully curved driveway. Lower level has huge family room with cozy wood stove, large patio and potential for an auto. All the hard work has been done, so you just have to move in and start living your best life. For more information